Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, follow the content. There's lots of great adventures to come and lots of projects in the works always. Today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the car. Where I park it, which I didn't think would be a big deal with these barely trees over top, this car has been absolutely destroyed with bird droppings. I also curbed a rim for the first time in 5 years, which made me a little bit upset. But as you can tell, the carnage from the bird droppings is on another level. It's like nothing I've ever seen. I parked below trees for years, and for some reason where I am, they just absolutely decimated my car. Not the only red car on the street either. Neighbor's car is orange. But for some reason, this car has just gotten an absolute kicking, which I don't understand. Beyond that, and this being the dirtiest it's ever been, because I can't get it in the driveway because the driveway is such garbage. I did post a video on this before, and it doesn't look crazy on camera, but it says backup sensors off on trucks. The Escalade dragging going in and out created that hole. And then it dips on the other side of the sidewalk, so it's just a disaster. I can't get it in. It took like 5 minutes and a spotter and all kinds of stuff, and then I couldn't get it out. So the car's just sat out here on the street, and I can't really get it up to work on it or do much. So I've been doing some sticker work, and I got to get it cleaned up. But the car's sitting about 97,000 kilometers, which is getting up there. About to break the big 100,000, which would be pretty cool. I have owned a vehicle with less than and seen this number before, but never from new. So that'll be, I don't know, it's kind of a big milestone for me, which is pretty neat. I've also gotten into the habit I got to clean it inside and out. The interior is absolutely filthy as well. It's been sitting pretty much all winter. The only thing I'm having a really weird time with is the brakes. For some reason, when I'm engaging the brake pedal between like 25 and 50% brake pedal, the car shakes wildly. Like it's absolutely insane. I don't know what's wrong with it. I did all new brakes last year on it. I did it before the brake job. I did it after the brake job. I don't know if I have a warped rotor, but when I hit it harder and I just like mat the brakes, it smoothens right out. The car comes to an immediate stop, as you would expect, and almost throws me out the window. But from point A to point B, it really is awful. So I don't know. I don't really know what to do. Again, I can't get it in the driveway to peel it all apart and take a look at it, see if I have a piston that's sticking or if something's just not right or something's not sitting right. I don't have, the car's just kind of stuck here. So I got to figure something out. Beyond that, the car's just been doing really good. I've tried to plan out and structure my year differently in all of my aspects, and not just financially or not just this or not just that, but I want to see if I can keep the car. I want to see if I can sort out the financial aspect of it and get that paid off so that I can keep it, which would mean I'm putting it back. All the goodies are going back on it. Wheel spacers and everything. I want to put a new set of tires on it. I really want to treat the car like I've intended to from day one, but not been able to, which is a little sad to say, but you know, sometimes reality is the best medicine. So it is what it is. We're going to get at it. I also would love to clean up the paint some, give it a good wax. I don't understand how there's just this massively abundant amount of bird droppings. That tree's getting cut down. There's no way it could stay. It's dead, and it's, I don't know, just being an absolute dink. So another month, another fabulous journey. This car's been amazing. I actually am specifically having it here because it allows me to go quote jobs and do things more efficiently because it's so good on gas. It's just end of story. And a lot of small jobs, tools fit in the trunk. There's no need for a big whatever. And I'd rather hold off on the truck and have this paid off and have both than just commit to getting rid of this when they're really not going to give me anything for it. But this also marks, this month is the 3-year anniversary of the first crash that essentially put me in this situation to begin with. So 3 years of build up to now be here. Got to face the piper, right? I'm either going to pay it off and trade it in or sell it for what I can get and have a chunk of cash to put towards another vehicle, or I guess just call it even, get rid of it, and yeah, I don't know. That's heartbreaking. We're not going to talk about that. So that's it. Hope everybody's doing well. We're in another lockdown. It's amazing. Everybody's so happy about it. So we're just hanging out here in quiet little Waterford. That's it. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and behave, as always.